For this investigation, you're going to look at how does something called stationary friction compare to that of an object that is actually sliding. So how does the frictional force when something is stationary compared to when we're actually allowing it to slide or move? This is called static friction, and this is going to be called kinetic friction. With both of these, you want this to happen slowly. So you're going to pull slowly so that we don't have a big jerk, but we want to allow this to really see what's actually happening here. When we're pulling it with kinetic friction, we want to pull it at a constant velocity. And again, we want to do that because that means that our net force is 0. And so the forces in this case would be our force of gravity, our normal force, we would have our pull force here, and then this way would be our frictional force. And if we have a pull force and a frictional force that are resulting in a constant velocity, that must mean that those two forces are equal in size. So what you should see on your graph that you produce is you should see a force versus time graph, and we should see a graph that maybe looks like this and then maybe drops off a little bit, where this is going to be my maximum force in the static. And so that's what you're going to record there. And then what we should see is that this is my kinetic friction, and that's what you're going to record there.